we're back with another episode of Wake Up with Wops. Go check out my last video on the FOMC results and how that affected the stock market. Now we're going to look at the crypto market, starting off with Bitcoin flagging on the daily, little flag breakout. You have the 9 EMA curling up the blue line. It's looking like we're going to continue going higher for Bitcoin. Ethereum, Bitcoin not looking good. The ETH Bitcoin chart or the ETH Bitcoin pair. It's because Ethereum hasn't really moved today. It's above the 9 EMA, so we like to see that. But it's barely moved. It's like an inside day. You can look at the candle for today. However, others, the altcoin market is hot. It broke out of this range, this choppy range we highlighted in a couple videos, this rectangle. It broke out of that. Now it looks like it's flagging here, and it might consolidate a little bit more and then break out. Because of that, we sold our SWE long and also entered into more coins. Let's go over that. But first, let's go to my X, Wake Up with Wops. You can see here, nice move today, sold the SWE. We're all out of SWE long. We entered at 339 and we got out at around 4, which was our target price. Also, we picked up Tau spot here, BitTenter Tau on Coinbase. You can see here in the picture, kind of found support at this red line that's forming the 200 SMA and above key moving averages. I think we're going to continue going higher. AI stocks have been doing good, so I think AI coins are going to follow. This is the weekly chart. You can see it's like a double bottom here, bottom there, and then again here, and now it's above the 9 EMA on the weekly, this blue line. I'm loving that. Also long Pengu. This was before the FOMC meeting, so this was Tuesday night. FOMC was on Wednesday. So I drew what I thought and I put my thoughts out on Twitter, on X. You can see here what I put, the little arrow. Now we're going to go over on the chart in a little bit. H-bar, I followed this from Paradise. He is a crypto analyst that I follow on X, and I also subscribe to him on YouTube. I recommend you do the same. He entered into H-bar. I had the same lines drawn out. You could see here. It's above key moving averages. I really like this, so I decided to follow him on this trade. I don't blindly follow anyone, guys. I do my own technical analysis, and then I go into the trade if I like it. I also followed Astro. He's another guy that I follow for crypto analysts and information. He writes essays, so I'm not going to read any of that. But you can see he's underwater on his Rune trade. So I got a good entry to today. We'll see. We'll go over it now. Rune is Thor chain. Right here you could see it's like a little mini flag forming. I don't really like to enter into coins or stocks that are below the 200-day average, which is this red line at 138. But I'm liking it as an anticipation play that we're going to break that and go higher because we're bullish now that interest rates have got cut. So 9 EMA is curling up, crossing the 50 SMA, which is the yellow line. I'm liking it. I entered it. I followed him, Astro, on this play. I'm liking it. Next, we're going to go over, let's look at the SWE chart. We entered here when they remounted the moving averages, and we wanted to sell at the top of this range. We're probably going to consolidate here, maybe pull back, and then break this long resistance here, this white trend line. So we're going to keep SWE on our watch. SWE is also in our long-term bag, so as long as it continues going up, I'm not mad about it. Pengu, you can see here, this is what we drew and put on X. We almost hit our TP. I think our TP is around 4, or maybe we hit it. I got to double check. So I thought this was going to happen, but it did not reject the resistance. It actually broke right through. So I'm really liking it. I think now it might continue going higher, maybe test the bottom of this prior resistance, and then continue going higher. We're going to sell some, move our stop loss to the entry, and then continue riding Pengu as a little Solana beta. Link, we're still underwater, but we're about to be at entry price. Finally looking good. The 9 EMA is curling up, so is the 20-day average. I'm liking Link as a RWA play. And that's pretty much it, guys. I have more videos coming out. I sold some hype. I entered into another coin that deserves its own video on its own. So be on the lookout for that. Follow me on X, Wake Up with Wops. Peace.